3 million apprenticeships, that's the target the government want to reach by 2020, and they want the public sector to step in and do their bit. One company doing just that is PetXI. They acknowledge the importance of getting into schools to inform youngsters of their options.
We need to be obviously in the schools. I think it's a corporate responsibility in terms of the whole local enterprise partnership as well here in Coventry and Warwickshire to really gain insight into the schools and actually go and speak to the learners themselves. We actually take apprentices ourselves at PetXI. We have Liam, and Liam's role as an ambassador is to get into the schools, speak to the students, speak to the learners, really instill what an apprenticeship actually is. Apprenticeships are really here now to drive opportunities for all. There's a chance really for students to earn while you learn at the same time. They can get the experience that's really necessary. When you come out of university with no work experience whatsoever, people find it extremely hard. I've heard of sort of graduates taking up to 18 months, 2 years to find a work placement.
An apprentice is someone aged over 16. They combine work with study to gain a work-based qualification from a GCSE level up to a degree level. Liam Patel chose the apprenticeship route and is now sharing his experience.
Because it's obviously made me more confident, from where I started off to where I am now, I'm able to go out and speak to young people about my experience as an apprentice, and just explain the benefits of apprenticeships, and hopefully get them on board and hopefully get them to start an apprenticeship themselves.
Apprenticeship or university, it's a question more commonly asked by today's younger generation. Liam's apprenticeship comes to an end next month when he will take on the role of apprenticeship coordinator. He believes his situation would have been completely different if he chose the university route.
I'd obviously come out with a degree, would have graduated this year, but it's that thing about looking for a job. Most of my friends have gone and graduated this year, but they're doing something totally different to what they've actually got a degree in. I'd probably just be there looking for jobs.
Simon believes it's an opportunity not just for the apprentice, but also for the company.
Employers can get grants to take on young people, especially obviously young sort of 16 to 23-year-olds. It's a fantastic opportunity for employers to actually take on an apprentice and actually mould that individual into your organisation. So people come with obviously set structures sometimes and set regimented actions. That's no longer the case. You can take someone young and actually develop them and mould them into the person you really want them to be.
Lois Swinton for Big News in Coventry.